Good morning. I'm here to talk to you today about Edpuzzle again. And I want to talk about recording your own videos in Edpuzzle. So, when I record these videos, I use an app called Screencastify, and eventually I'll do a video on that. But Edpuzzle's recording works surprisingly similar, very, very similar. And it also is something you already have access to, and I think it's great. So, if you want to record your own video, you're going to come up here to add content and click record video. Why would you want to record your own video? Well, for one thing, it really, really builds student relationships. Since I've started recording videos, I've really noticed the students feel like they know me better. I think because they see me on video a lot more and they listen to me talk a lot more than they would if they were just doing videos by other people. So I really encourage you to start doing videos. You have all your options here. That you can set. Now, one of the things that's going to happen the first time you go to record a video is you're going to have to allow Chrome to use your microphone and your camera. Okay, so that'll come up here. I do use an external microphone. I find it works really well. I did spend some money on it because I wanted it to be comfortable. I bought it during COVID time, but you can get fairly cheap ones that plug in and do a fine job of recording your voice. Okay. So right here is where you do a recording. I'm going to go ahead and start the recording and show you what it looks like. So you get the option to record a whiteboard or just to choose what you're going to draw and start recording. Okay, I'm going to record a whiteboard first. I'm going to press share. And they give you your little countdown, and then you've got the whiteboard and you've got controls here. These are very much, I really think they may be working with Screencastify because the controls are so similar to Screencastify. You have the turn on the microphone, you have the hide the camera, so I can hide myself, which is really weird because it does it for both. You have the drawing tools, so you can go in here and do your writing on your whiteboard. You can undo, erase, garbage, pause, stop, right? And you can hide this so that you don't see it as much because I have so many things going on, right? So you can draw on here, right? Other thing that you can do, and this is probably what I would do because I'm not really a big whiteboard user, is that I would have a slideshow that I would probably show, or I might show how to do something. If I did that, let me stop doing the Edpuzzle recording. And you'll notice that when you stop, it goes ahead and it uploads it for you, okay? So it processes it. It asks you to pick a thumbnail. It asks you to choose privacy. It gives you the chance to trim it, and you could not upload at this point. But I'm going to go ahead and click upload because I do want to show you that. And then I'm going to come back here. Oh, it was so fast. I'm used to recording longer videos. Okay, I'm not going to go back there. This works just like any other Edpuzzle at this point. Once you've uploaded it, you have your ability to cut, to do voiceovers, and to do questions. And because this is not a YouTube video, you can do a voiceover. So say you recorded something and then you were like, oh, I didn't like the way I said that. You could do a voiceover of that and record over something. So you could record. But let me go back here. Click upload a video or click record a video again. And I'm going to start recording. And this time I'm going to just choose and start recording. I'm going to pick that. And I'm going to click share. Now it's recording this window. And if I was trying to record the student biographies, I would make sure it's on this tab. And I would show this window. So this is where I could go in and say, hey, to make a biography slide, you come up here to the plus sign, you do the pull down, you choose this layout, and you're going to have it all set up for your biography slide, right? But this is just a quick and easy way to make a video. So easy. I cannot stress enough how easy it is. Okay, so I'm going to stop the Edpuzzle. This is a little bit tricky because I have both of them open. Okay. And again, we get the option to pick what thumbnail. And thumbnail is the picture that it shows so that when the students are choosing the video, it's what picture it shows. Like if I were doing this one, I would definitely try to pick one that showed what I was trying to show them how to do, if that makes any sense. Privacy, let me move this. You have a choice between public or private. I make my videos public because I never know who's going to need them. Strange thing, former students do come and watch my YouTube videos. I can see them because sometimes they comment. It's kind of funny. Okay, I'm going to hit cancel on this one, and I'm going to discard it. And one more thing that I want to show you today. So when you do your videos, okay, and you're going to record a video, you do have the option to edit your screen shortcuts, okay? You can edit all sorts of stuff in here. You can change the camera. You can make it so that it's camera only or no camera. So you can come up here. You can change the camera, the microphone. I don't have a different camera. Countdown. Edpuzzle doesn't give you a setting for the countdown. It's 3, 2, 1. Kind of nice. Screencastify gives you up to 10 seconds. Recording time. So this is showing me how long I'm recording. This edit keyboard shortcuts. If you come here, it takes you to this. And this might be kind of confusing, but if you scroll down and you find Edpuzzle, these are all the shortcuts that you can use. So that you have keyboard shortcuts for things like toggling the drawing tools, right? And so let's say I want the microphone I want to be able to toggle the microphone. I want to be able to turn it on and off, right? So I think I'm going to use Alt M for that. And I'm just choosing what it's going to be. So I'm going to press the Alt key and M. Oh, I have to click edit. I'm going to choose Alt key and M. And in Chrome, that's going to mean mute the microphone, right? Or unmute the microphone. So that'll be my mute button. You do have to choose Alt or Shift for these. It can't just be, or it has to be Alt or Control, I think. Let me try. It tells you when you do it. Sorry. So it's because I'm choosing the wrong key. It must be Control or Alt, okay? So Shift does not work. The Windows key does not work. Has to be Control or Alt. This can be really useful, just especially if you're someone who does a lot of using the drawing tools or something. You might want to set some of these so that you can do them with the keyboard. But for most of you, you're probably not going to even worry about that. I hope that you will take some time and record a few videos for your students, even if you just record a video at the beginning of the class introducing your expectations. It is great for the kids to hear from you, and the way our schedules work, it's not always easy for us to talk to each kid or to remember to say the things that we want to say to each kid every day when we're setting expectations. I hope you have a great week and enjoy this tech tip and record some videos. Bye.